Hi friends, it's Sam, Paper Besos. Welcome back. I am packing up a Happy Meal today, and I also wanted to show off a few mini journals that I created using Anna's Wonderland digitals, which she is Lace Boutique 1 on Etsy, and I will make sure that I list all of her social media so that you can shop with her. I do have other videos available, and there's even a discount code that I've listed on those videos as well if you want to shop on her Etsy. And the coupon code is good for her digitals on Etsy. So all this mess, goodness. I am reusing packaging because that's the kind of girl I am. Reusing is a good thing. Also, I did these. Hope you can see okay. I did these on a different video. I will link it here so you can see I've done like postcards and stuff. Oh shoot, I wanted to, it's fine. Okay, so that's all gonna go. I'm putting that in there for her. I'm putting this one in there for her as well. She is a sweetheart. There's some butterflies. She really sent me, I lost track of all the Happy Mail that I got this past year, and in the fall with her as well. She's just a sweetheart. She doesn't know how much joy that brought me, and I had a really hard year, you know. I lost my mom a year ago. She passed, and I really miss her. And on some really bad days, I would go get my mail and I would have a Happy Mail from Ashley. So yeah, she just made me smile a lot on days where I really needed a smile. So here are some mini journals I've created. 2. And again, these are the digitals from Anna. A little bit of fabric on the binding. I did the elastic binding and closure. I made this cute little handle from this vintage material as well. And this little piece here, it's actually from broken jewelry. And I just glued the material in there after I folded it. Didn't even do any sewing. This is a no-sew journal. These are little broken bits of jewelry and a necklace. Some cutouts. These little dies are from the Tim Holtz dies. Paper is from Chiquita. I haven't put an inside pocket on this one yet. I probably will still do that. I did some cute little tabs, and all I did was attach them with the tiny attacher. I think the little staples look super cute. So those are the different dyed papers that I used. As you can see, it's got the elastic, so you can take these out and put different ones in. There's a little tiny tag, a little charm, a tiny paper clip, the little tiny cutoffs from, you know, cutting the material to put on these books. Of course, you know, I save them and I tie them to the top of some of these little tags that I made. I think it came out really cute. There's more paper. There's a little tuck spot here. And there's a little slide that I made. I just did some paint behind it and then cut these out with some tiny dies that I have and distressed it a little bit. And this gold paper is actually from some candy wrapper, some candy that I got for Mother's Day. I just kept the wrapping because it's really pretty. Look how cute. This paper from Chiquita. And there's another little tuck spot, a little tiny tag, again, cast off and remnant pieces from the fabric. I did a little tiny envelope, did some stamping, distressing. There's the center cut from the tag that we just looked at, the tiny tag. And then here is a little tiny something something in this little envelope. I really like the way tiny stuff comes out. Ugh, so cute. And paper, Chiquita's paper everywhere. It's beautiful. More of the little tags attached with tiny attacher. There is another little tag with the heart cut out, and there's a tiny little bulldog clip that is Tim Holtz as well. Pocket in the back. envelope stamps. Oh, I love this envelope. And just a little piece of paper all grunged up. That is in there. So that is one. The other, I picked that one out special to send to Ashley. There's the binding, the material. There's your little dangle on the side. There is your dangle on the front. I tied a little remnant of the material there. Bits and pieces of broken jewelry, and that's got a little heart on it. I don't know if you can see that. Am I even in frame? I can't ever tell. Chiquita's paper everywhere. I did put a pocket on the inside, so here is a nice little envelope there on the inside. Of course, it has a little something something on the inside as well. These are so tiny and cute, I swear. And then there's a little fern that's from a die. Chiquita's paper. I just did little bits and pieces, remnants of material. Used the tiny attacher. Another little tiny tag, material remnants. There's the little bull clip. Oh, it's so cute. I did glue in some hand pieced paper or hand cut paper just to give it a little bit of a grungy look. There's a pocket. There's another slide that I made. I did some acrylic paint, stamping, fabric remnant, tiny sewing dies. The gold again is from a piece of candy I got from Mother's Day. It was so pretty. Lots of those little tabs attached with a tiny attacher. These are both no-sew journals. There is a tiny paper clip, a little star. Isn't that cute? I did some stamping and distressing, fabric remnant. This is also a die cut. This is a Laura by Laura that I got from Natalie. Looks like a little round piece of wood. I just distressed it and put it in there as a little tuck spot. That's just some little paper pieces that I did the rounding edges on and distressed. I love this paper sticking together. It's like I glued them together when I was trying to glue that tuck spot in. All right, there's another little piece of fabric. I love this yellow, don't you? Nice little tabby there. Tuck spot back here. There's another cute little envelope with some stamping, distressing. This is actually just a paper bag. Cute little piece in there. I did put my name in there. So this one is going to be the one that goes to Ashley. I just really like the way that came out. I did a card for her as well. This I made. When Chiquita sent me her paper, this was on the box and I carefully cut it out and put it on the front of the card. This was from Chiquita as well. This was the little note Chiquita wrote me and I just distressed it and put it on the front. There's some die cuts on here from the box that my candy came in for Mother's Day. There's the back. I put my sticker. That's a little piece of washi tape that someone sent me in packaging and I kept it. There's a nice little note for her. I had to send her something, but look at the inside. I really like the way this came out with the stamping, grunging, metallic pen, die cuts. This is from some junk mail. I thought that rose was gorgeous, so I cut it out. That's going to go, that's hers. And this I'm actually going to put in this little bag. It fits really cutely. And this is a sewing kit from Dollar Tree. I just took everything out, cleaned it up, and this baby is going to go in there. See how cute she fits? And then I did wrap up some fabric pieces. So I think I'll put these in there on the side somehow. That being too rough, Sam? Jeez. I think that one goes there really well. I think that's all I'll do inside the packaging. So that is going to her. I can actually, this is gonna go to her too. I just did a bunch of little thingies in here, and I will put those little pieces of fabric right in there. That looks cute, right? Works for me. I did put this little piece in there because I didn't want these to break. Those are glass. Hopefully that'll take care of them. Let's see. Put it that way. There we go. I do have some little pom-poms that my daughter made me. I'm going to throw in. Just throw that in there. I've got a little tassel keychain I'm going to throw in there. Oh, I forgot this. That's a little bow that I did on a little clip art. I wanted to put it on here like that. So that matches. Look how matchy. Cute, right? Sorry, I'm probably completely out of frame. So that is going. Again, I just reused all this packaging and this packaging as well. This is from Rhoda, and some of the little glass pieces, I just took everything out, and I've been using all the stuff that came in it. But I'm a member of her Ko-fi, and every month she sends us beautiful Happy Mail and Memdex cards, and so pretty. And then this is packaging from her as well. I just ripped off the address. Look at the cute stuff she puts on there. So this is going to go out to Ashley. I will address it to her. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Ashley, for being so awesome. If you guys have any questions about anything, I am going to be working on some tutorials for making some mini journals. I really love doing this. I think it comes out so cute. It's so fun, and definitely want to do some tutorials on that. So, all right, just make sure you follow if you don't already. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. I do post a lot on there, more often, I think. And also hit the bell for notifications for whenever I do post another YouTube video. All right, thank you for watching. Love you. Besos. Bye.